guys, Sophie here. So today I'm going to share with you about a challenge that could really actually change your life. And it has something to do with learning how to go fully whole food plant-based. You need to hear this. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm going to make this really quick and really simple for you. The benefits of going whole food plant-based and the benefits that you will get inside of 31 days, because I'm inviting you to join a 31-day challenge with me. The benefits that you're going to get over the course of this, if you're all in, excuse the sound of the bike going past, you're going to get renewed energy. Your energy levels are going to go north. You are going to most likely, very likely, lose unwanted pounds. And you are going to feel better in your skin than you've ever felt before. Your skin is going to look better. Your skin is going to glow. And these are the benefits that you're going to get with joining me on this 31-day plant-powered challenge. You're going to click the link below this video in order to register and sign up. And when you sign up for this challenge, you will immediately get my plant-powered primer with a few frequently asked questions fully answered, because I want to set you up for success and I want you to start July 1st, which is when the challenge starts. I want you to hit the ground running. Now, a little bit about me if you've never met me before and you've never come across my channel before. So I am an environmentalist, and I've written 4 books. I'm a holistic nutritionist and I'm a wellness coach. Now, I have only been fully whole food plant-based now for about 4 years, almost 4 years. And I'm actually ashamed to say that, because I've been calling myself an environmentalist, really caring about the environment, being an activist of sorts, for 10 years. So 6 of those years I called myself an environmentalist, but I was eating meat, animal products, and fish. Now, the problem is, and there is a big problem with that, is that I can't call myself an environmentalist anymore and really care about the environment and eat meat, because the two things just don't go together. Because we now know that it's almost a more powerful action to take your car, to stop eating beef than it is to take your car off the road, in terms of environmental pollution and degradation. I am not going to get into that on this video because I want to get you onto this challenge, but I just wanted to tell you a little bit about one of the many reasons why I decided to come fully whole food plant-based. That was one of them. There were many other reasons. You can look at some of my other videos to find out why I actually made that transition. But I will say that over the last 4 years, this is what I personally have experienced. I've experienced more energy, renewed energy, more energy than I've probably almost had my entire life, which is unusual for a woman of my age who has been through menopause. I'm owning it, I have. The other thing that is unusual for a woman who has gone through menopause is hormonally, my hormones should have been all over the place. I should have been feeling terrible and maybe even gaining weight around my midsection. That happens to a lot of women who, and it happens to women going through all kinds of hormonal changes. So whether you're 20, 30, wherever, perimenopause, whatever. But for me, miraculously, over the last 4 years, I have had a minimal amount of hormonal disruption. I have managed to maintain my absolutely ideal weight, which was not the case, because I'm petite, but I was going to say I am tiny. I am pretty small, but despite that, for somebody who's tiny, if you put on just 3 pounds or 4 pounds or 5 pounds, it really shows. But for me, it's been this completely thrown up my weighing scales, because the jeans just fit the same as they did 4 years ago. My skin, this is a big one. I used to break out every now and again, you know, hormonal time of months or whatever, or adult acne, or have the odd thing, which was really annoying because I do quite a lot of TV, and it'd be like, oh no, I've got like this monster popping out of my chin. It was always like around here, which is often hormonal. Nothing, 0 breakouts for 4 years. I mean, I can't remember the last time. My skin has been clear, my eyes shiny, my hair in really good condition, my nails in great condition. So for anybody who's telling you that you need to have all these animal collagen products and bone broth and all of that business, which by the way, I was fully on to the full, I eat humanely reared meat, quote unquote, you know, grass-fed, quote unquote, you know, all organic, quote unquote, which, you know, that's a whole nother video to walk you behind the behind all those labels. But anyway, my point being that the benefits are extraordinary, and those are the benefits that I can see and that I can experience. But the hidden benefits, which we can't see, my friends, unless you have your labs done, are disease prevention. So the people that I've had the honor and pleasure to coach as a health coach over the last 3 years, and I've seen them going to their physician and getting their labs done before, during, and after, is astonishing. Cholesterol and high blood pressure numbers coming down so much that their doctors and physicians have had to adjust their medications. So this is where it gets really exciting. This is a diet for disease prevention, and this is why I implore anybody who's watching this video to get on board with this challenge. I don't care if you're 20 or 70, whether you have health issues or no health issues, whether you've been vegan, because you can be a really unhealthy vegan, and I'm going to teach you to do this in a really healthy way, or whether you're like, I just can't give up cheese. That's a big one for a lot of people. Or it's so hard for me with my family and, you know, everybody around me, and culturally, it's in our culture in America or in the West. It's very, very meat-centric culture. I get all that, and that is why I'm addressing all of that and more on this challenge. Here's how it works. 31 days. Every single day you're going to get a video from me. I am popping up in your inbox with an information-packed video that will really help you and address many of your concerns and just give you that little nudge and that little piece of information that you need. You're also going to get a recipe from me every day, because I don't think this should be complicated. It needs to be healthy. We want to try and eat as many whole foods as we can. It doesn't mean you have to become a chef. It doesn't mean you have to follow complicated recipes with 30 different ingredients. It really doesn't. I want to make this simple, really simple for you. You're also going to get grocery shopping guides so that you know exactly how to shop and what to shop for. Not just, this isn't just for whole food plant-based. This is just generally, actually, like, how do you pick a healthy pasta sauce? How do you shop for a healthy loaf of bread, etc. I'm going to show you how to restock your pantry and restock your refrigerator for plant-powered success. You're going to be entered into my private Facebook group, and I'm going to do a live Facebook, so basically group therapy with Sophie for every week of the challenge. That's where we can do a deep dive and really answer each other's questions and kind of help and support each other. So this and so much more, and all of it, my friends, is just $31. That is $1 a day to significantly alter your health, basically, to move the needle on your health and wellness for years to come. And why it's for years to come is when we do a challenge, we push ourselves. And the very nature of a challenge is to help you to do something that you couldn't really do yesterday or the week before. You're challenging yourself, you're pushing yourself. And that's what I want to encourage you to do over the course of these 31 days. So you might be a vegan who's like, I'm just not a very healthy vegan. My challenge is I'm gonna be a healthy vegan. Or as I said before, you might have this is totally new to you and you're like, hey, I'm all in. I'm giving it a whirl. She's given me these promises. I'm gonna see if it works, but I have no idea. I'm a newbie. Great, then come on in and let us help you. Because when you've completed the challenge, you can then decide, okay, now I feel these benefits, now things have changed, now I've given myself long enough doing this that I understand what she's talking about. I understand how this now feels, and I kind of don't want to go back. And that's the end game. That's what I want for you. Because then you carry on doing it beyond the challenge, and you're in the family, and you're in the group, and you're part of my tribe. And we just continue to do it together through all the fun social media that we share, and recipes and videos and all that beautiful stuff. So my friends, please don't delay. Sign up right now, click on that link, register, you'll get your primer, then you'll be good to go starting July 1st, 2018, 31 days. I don't care if you're traveling, I don't care if you're on the go, I don't care if you've got a big family you've got to feed, you can make it work. If you want to make it work, you'll make it work. So I look forward to this. I'm actually so excited about it. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of other stuff going on and videos sort of pertaining to holistic nutrition and loads of DIYs and recipes and what I eat in a day and all that good stuff, and lots more to come. I'll see you later. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.